Good evening. It's time for your Framework Fortune Crypto Daily Update, and I'm your host, Ben. Let's dive in. So, Voyager had a nice spike up to that 483 area, currently pulling back here on the daily chart, but it's trying to hold this previous resistance as support. I am in Voyager on Coinbase Pro as well. I did not realize this, but Voyager is now on Coinbase. Kind of weird, but it is what it is. So, had a lot of action on it so far from that and the debit card coming out. But it's holding its gains at the moment, making a little consolidation here. So I'm just going to keep holding it because I don't think it's done. Yeah, you see right here close on the 4-hour chart is a nice triangle that's forming. And at the moment, it does look like it may dip a little bit more. But it doesn't take much buying to come in for this to start pushing back up. So we'll see. But I have it on the Voyager digital platform, and I am swinging it on Coinbase Pro. I'm down on Coinbase Pro, but that's all right. Like I said, I think it's going to come back up. If it starts cracking 375, I may get out here during the stream and then catch it lower or something, but I don't think it's going to. But we do have a lot of rebounding in the market going on after the sell-offs. Let's go back into the daily chart here. XYOU bouncing off the 50-day. TRAC bouncing off those all-time lows. Loop ring starting to come back up some. If it can re-break $3, loop ring could run again. Let's put loop ring on watch. FTM, nothing really there. Just a little bounce from that sell-off. ENJ breaking up over this 350 line. That top line right there is 380. So break of 4, we can see this up. I actually like the way this is looking. What'd that move from 3 to 364? A few more days. We'll see if there's a play there. ACH not doing anything yet. But Sheeb rebounding off the 50-day, back up to the triangle, testing it. Gave it a good test, popped over it, but it's going to have to hold that quad 05 area as support and then break out if it's going to do it. Let's see, Mana. So Mana got a nice bounce. It's all the way back up 425. Very bullish on the daily chart. Solana holding $2. Or not $2, $200. That's what we wanted to see. I'm going to move some of these lines off here. But holding $200, that's what we wanted to see. So bounced off the trend line. We'll probably see a little bit of a continuation, maybe back up to 250. The next couple of days this weekend. What's up, Lauren? What's up? One Life? No, I'm getting into Bitcoin and Ethereum now. I was just looking at all the coins that were rebounding, seeing which ones actually look like decent rebounds. And I like the way Mask is holding that trend line so far. Now, I did pick up some Atom. When Atom dropped to $25 last night, I picked it up. You can bet your ass I picked it up. I told you guys if it dropped down that far, then I was grabbing it. And it did. And as soon as it did, it started pushing back up. So that was not bad. Already up 350 on that on my Voyager account share. Or not a share, but a coin. But it just came back down and tested this previous support there. That 25 is what we've been talking about. I said if it came down there, I was grabbing it, And that's what I did. So we want to see it continue to rebound. This, it's not completely rebounded yet. Still got to get back above the 50 on the daily chart here, but I will take it at 25, and if it decides to go to 20, I will be picking up even more. So add to my staking position. But all those coins still down in the Cosmos ecosystem. And a lot of that bull run cracking down. You see Sentinel DVPN cracking off its trend line. So that ecosystem is cooling down. There's been cooling down. While everything else has kind of been getting a lot of the attention. But let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin, see what it's doing today. Yeah, so Bitcoin couldn't hold 60,000, couldn't hold the 50-day, pulled all the way back down to 55,000, but was bought off of that area. And right now it's around this 58,000. But Bitcoin, on the daily chart here, Bitcoin looks pretty bearish. Because that downtrend is right there. I'm going to go ahead and just remove this line. We know what 60,000 is. But the downtrend is right there. So still got a ways to go to get back over it. And basically it just has to break back above 60,000 again. So if we see, if Bitcoin gets back above 60,000, then this little sell-off is probably over. If it can't, then we're going to see it dump some more, probably down to 50,000. We'll see if this is all a knee-jerk reaction or what. And then Ethereum's still holding a 50-day. So it looked like it was going to crack the 50-day, but you can see this is actually really bullish looking on Ethereum. Rebounded completely with a double bottom there. And it's pushed over the top of this candle, that previous red body, this little flat top here. So as long as this green candle here closes above 4,300, Ethereum could start running again. Still too early to tell on a lot of these, but farm getting way down there. Fetch all the way down at 65. I didn't pick any fetch up, but that's having the issue trying to hold 75 cents. It's got to get back above 75. This is TradingView One Life. God's Unchained token popping back up. Not too bad there. Like I said, I don't think this is going to crack any lower than 4. I think we're going to be seeing a pop come soon out of this beautiful wedge. And if you're playing the game, you're getting paid out God's tokens right now weekly if you're in the highest ranking. Well, not the highest ranking, but about halfway up the rankings you start getting paid. Look at what I haven't covered. Avalanche still holding above 100. Looks like it's trying to break that 110 still, so very close to going on another leg up for Avalanche if it does break. See, Voyager did just come down to 375. But if you're looking at the Coinbase chart for Voyager, that is not quite accurate, because there's a lot of information left on it. Like most coins that uplist to Voyager or Coinbase, you don't get the whole story of the chart. See what Suku do. Suku has sold off hard, all the way down to 73 cents. I'd like to see that try to hold up that area. And so it looks like well, yeah, it's just still in that triangle. VeChain is trying to hold some support around 12 cents, it looks like. But it may have to come back down to the trend line at 10. It's all about that 15-cent line, whether it can re-break that or not if it's going to continue to run. But the thing is this just a little rebound day and we're going to continue to sell off tomorrow on a lot of these coins, or sell off this weekend? Or is this actual rebound for the bull market? And that's what we got to kind of figure out. And I'm still not quite sure, but seeing a lot of rebounds today. And Crow here, crypto.com, that daily candle is over the bodies of this flat top. That's very bullish right there if this candle closes like this. So Crow maybe one to keep an eye on. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put Crow on the watch list too. See Cardano, yeah, see Cardano all the way back to this trend line. This thing could never get going after that first initial rip. Move that right there. And around 5 cents still. Polkadot is back down to its trend line. Still holding it pretty strong, so Polkadot is definitely one to keep an eye on. One of the very few that didn't crack its downtrend. The purple for now. Altcoin down there at that support. GUEN had that big rip yesterday and now is all the way back down. Or 2 days ago, whatever. Crypto.com is Crow. C-R-O. Now let's see what's going on CoinDesk, see if there's any special news today, anything that's exciting. Yeah, Bitcoin underperforms, altcoins, a sell-off, pauses. Square releases white paper detailing protocol for a DEX. It's a Bitcoin DEX, but I mean, there's plenty of those. See. Turkey makes the case for Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't see much going on there in the news. Crypto dragons. Let's check out the altcoin season chart. And this may be what's happening. I mean, we've really been in a hot altcoin market on the altcoin season chart. Here we go. So that was about, yeah, this was the run in January and February. Then we had a big pullback, and this is where Bitcoin was performing very strong in September, pushing up that 70,000. That's why, or actually August, I should say. That's why the altcoins were pulling against it. Bitcoin was outperforming them. So you see, that's when it's down under this Bitcoin season line, it's Bitcoin season. When it's above it, it's altcoin season. So we're about in the middle. It does look like we're getting some consolidation there. So if we see the altcoin season index back over like 65, and we start seeing it test up at 75, then I would say we're probably going to, man, this is nice consolidation on this index. It looks like altcoins have a real chance to explode. And here's the thing, look at this. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. That one was a higher low too. It got real close, but this one's actually still a little bit lower. So we've been building higher lows and higher highs on this altcoin season index. Looking like altcoins are probably going to have a really crazy altcoin season again, just like last January. Loopring is the top performer over the last 90 days, 702%. Bitcoin's only been up 22%. So you can see this whole list of altcoins that's been running that's up hundreds of percents that's outperformed Bitcoin. So we're definitely looking at a very possible, like, super crazy altcoin run. Bitcoin to $5. You guys talking about Christmas already. Still November. I ain't even ate turkey yet. Stop talking about Christmas. So yeah, I mean that's kind of what it's looking like though. Looks like we had this little pullback in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin may just go sideways like it did. Let's see. Let's go look at Bitcoin and compare it to that altcoin chart. Let's get dirty here. Let's get down in the grime and dirt. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, that was August when Bitcoin started climbing. That's when Bitcoin was outperforming. And then it almost looks like, let's play altcoin season chart back up there. And come on. Trying to shrink you here. So August 16th is when that started. So August 16th would be right here. So right as Bitcoin started pushing back up, it's when we had the start of the Bitcoin season. That was all them altcoins selling off. So yeah, we may see Bitcoin just go sideways in this area, test 60,000 for a week or two, while altcoins are just exploding. That may be what's going to happen if we don't have more of a pullback. But that's kind of what everything's leaning towards. Everything's kind of pointing towards a explosive altcoin market to start the year off, which I am fine with that. Move these lines off of here. Move that line as well. Just move all these lines. We don't need them on there anymore. Interesting thing about Loopring here is on this daily, Loopring has this nice day. This confirmed the uptrend there. So we got a nice uptrend on the daily. Yeah, loop ring looks like it's just starting to go. As much as it's already ran, I mean, this is nice fluid movement. A nice little build up for a quick pop, a little breather, nice curl around and push back up. Get that selling pressure at $4, pushing it back down. And we bounce off the trend line. Re-break a $3. Yeah, actually break a 305, and we could see it try to push back up to 4. So definitely want to keep an eye on there. Oh, you had to decorate early? I get you. Well, enjoy Arizona. Arizona is a beautiful place, at least the parts I went to. See, we haven't looked at Litecoin in a while. What's Litecoin doing? Litecoin just... Well, actually, Litecoin is on a pretty nice uptrend as well since last year. Just like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Actually, Litecoin's chart looks more like Ethereum's than it does Bitcoin. Interesting. Look at these lines here. Let's get these lines out of here back here. They're freaking me out. Can't even see those lines. I don't know why I had them as black lines on a dark chart. Maybe that was because I had a white chart before. Maybe that's probably what it was. Litecoin's been such an underperformer, which is just such a surprise to me because it's basically a faster, cheaper Bitcoin, and it doesn't have that big of a supply. It's only 80 million. Let's see, Voyager popping back up to 380. Voyager needs to re-break 4. Let me see. Let me find that Voyager chart that I had before. It was a Binance chart, I think. VGX. Yeah, here we go. No, that one's not good either. See, on the Voyager app, you have the whole full chart. So Voyager was up around $6. I think it was actually higher than that at some point at the beginning of this year. It had a nice climb and then pulled it back and did nothing for a long time. So it looks to me like it's just starting to get going again. But I was trying to show you guys that chart, the rest of this chart behind here. And I guess they don't have it on TradingView, unfortunately. But when Voyager releases their desktop platform, I'm sure they will have a full chart to look back on. So that will be pretty cool. But now that Voyager's listed on Coinbase, because before you could only buy Voyager token from Voyager exchange outside of doing, some type of decentralized swap like Uni or Pancake or anything. But now more people have access to it. The only thing is, what's really the point of buying it if you're not on Voyager? Unless you're just trading it. Like on here, I'm trading it. This is just a swing trade on Coinbase Pro. Yeah, look at that. Crow pushing up a little bit more. Now, Dom Preventure, I don't know if he's in here, or if I said his, I'm just going to say Dom P. Dom is pretty bullish on Crow. He was saying it in the website last night in the Crypto Hub on frameworkfortune.com. If you haven't signed up yet, it's free. But Dom was saying last night he's really bullish on Crow. He thinks because all the other exchanges are a lot more expensive of coins, that Crow is undervalued. And he may be right. Crypto.com has built quite a bit, so 55 cents. But real quick, let's check the actual supply and all that on Crow, because I actually don't know, because this is not one I've been following that close. Whoa, Crabetta. Who wants some Crabetta coin? Crow. So, yeah, well, that's the thing. I don't know how high it can get. The circulating supply is 25 billion coins. We do have 110,000 holders. See, they got some type of event happening on Twitter right now. Looks like, where they announced it on Twitter. And they added ILTX, wrapped Bitcoin, and ICP. So they're adding tokens all the time too. Crypto.com exchange now supports deposits and withdrawals of ETH via Polygon. Let me see this exchange link. Because there's not any in America. I don't think there's an exchange that you can use. Let's see, I gotta log in real quick. Let me pull this off to the side. What you mean? What you mean the wrong password? Don't you tell me I got the wrong password, Crypto.com. I was just on you last night. Well, on my phone, I guess, not actually on this. Huh. Well, I'll have to figure out what my password is on the online website. Cryptos are dead like cannabis stocks. Yeah, he's pretty busy tonight. I think he's working and whatnot. But yeah, I'm still in my research on Crypto.com, still learning about it, and trying to mess with the app and stuff. But I keep having problems with it where I tried to... Crow looking pretty decent. Where I tried to use credit card, because it says you can use a credit card to purchase cryptos with, which I've done it once before with Crypto.com, and it worked. But the other night it kept saying there was errors and all kinds of stuff. So I don't know. Maybe it's a bug. They've been around for a little while. They shouldn't be having those type of bugs, really, but. Oh, just a second, guys. One of my real estate agents is messaging me. All right. Well, that real estate thing I still want to do. There's still going to be a branch of Framework Fortune real estate info and all that stuff, but it's just no time for it right now with cryptos and stocks. Got to build the team. Got to build this community and this team a little bit better, because a little bit bigger, not better. It's a great community. I mean, a little bit bigger. Because the team is small right now. We can only handle so much. Oh yeah, I know, Lauren. I appreciate it. You're doing what you're doing good. You just keep on doing what you're doing, moderating and promoting like you are. Your grassroots campaigning is great. No, it's not. I've got funds on my credit card. It didn't decline my credit card because it was maxed out. And I don't know why it declined my credit card, but it did. Because it worked before, so I don't know. What's up, Ruben? You don't have to con your stepmom. I mean, I appreciate any ideas that she has or wants to throw my way, but it's not so much of the information part. I mean, I've been trying to buy a house for 2 years, another one, and it's been a process because every time something keeps happening. So I got quite a bit of experience at this point. Uh, Trying to purchase another property and the nightmares that can happen. I'm still in there on this Virginia property. Today was the last day of the contract extension from my agent, and I haven't heard from the mortgage company today, so who knows? You want to star Daniel B? You want to star as the channel troll? Well, I don't think I can make badges on this channel yet. I think you have to be monetized, and we're not quite to 1,000 subs here on this channel. But on the Framework Fortune Home channel, I can give you a badge, Daniel B, if you really want a pretty little sticker. If you want your own little special Daniel B sticker. One life. The wrench just stands for moderator. It's not. I didn't pick a wrench as the emblem for moderator. That's just what it is. But there's a difference. There's a difference between a monetized channel and a non-monetized channel. Like I don't on this channel, I barely have any of the tools and the stuff that I have on the big channel because it's just not there yet. Once you hit a certain level and you're monetized, your whole inside of your YouTube studio changes. So. Everybody's wanting stickers right now. One Life and Daniel B, 40 years old, 40-year-old men wanting stickers on a live stream. Fake stickers. As much as you talk about trash about Bitcoin and cryptos, and here you are. Give me a sticker. Give me my own special sticker. Give me my own special sticker that has a unique ID, which would be an NFT. So, Daniel B, you want an NFT as a sticker? Yeah, Ruben, I'll make you you're hardly on another channel, but I'll make you moderator on this channel. There you go, Ruben. So that way you and Lauren, y'all can be moderators. Well, you don't have the wrench on this one life. You're moderator on the big channel with Lauren. Daniel B needs a contrarian sticker. Nah, Daniel B's getting a poop emoji. That's the sticker he's getting. He's getting a big fat steamy poop emoji. Yeah, so Voyager's holding above at 375, not too bad there. It's kind of slow right now in the crypto market. I mean, there's not really much popping. Like some of them had their pops, but it'll probably be a couple more hours before we see any more movement. It's kind of slow time right now, Friday, and a lot of this side of the world is eating dinner or getting off of work or just getting back from the grocery store. So a lot of people aren't trading. This time of day is usually kind of quiet, but especially on a Friday. So I would say about probably about an hour and a half, we'll start to see everything start moving again. Well, if there's any coins anybody wants me to check out that I haven't covered, I can go ahead and check those out. We'll give the live stream about 10-15 more minutes here. I'm looking to be back trading every day on the crypto channel. Well, not every day except Sunday on the crypto channel here. I'm just trying not to add more money in this account because I moved money out of this account. So I mean I can move it back in here, but I was trying not to. I was trying to just take this a little bit, this 500 or whatever. Now I'm at 470. I'm down about $50 on this. But like trying to get this 500 back up to 1,000 through a swing trade real quick. But I mean, if Voyager wouldn't have had all these catalysts it did, then I was not going to hold anything else in this account, and just those catalysts. And I've been following Voyager for a long time. I just think we're probably going to get a little bit bigger of a pop, but it's hard to say. But next week, if Voyager has not had another run up to 5 and pushed over 5 by the end of this weekend, I will get out of it on this account and I will stay straight cash so I can trade every day, because I like to trade. I like to day trade, swing trading. So I don't like swing trading stocks that much. Swing trading cryptos it depends on how you do it. If you're buying at support levels, it can be fun. If you got got a bad entry on a crypto, you might not be able to sleep at night. Well, we got a... Deadbeat, you have seniority here. On Sunday, I tried to not do much, but I still end up, editing videos or working on thumbnails or SEO. There's so much to do. It never stops. It never stops. It's a great problem to have, though. PDX, let's go, Brandon. I think most people will agree with you on that. What is FGB? FJB? Are you talking about... Oh, is it a real coin? I didn't catch the acronym there. What it meant? It said FGB, FJB. Let's see if there is a coin. If somebody did a Let's Go Brandon coin, they probably did. Oh yeah, there it is, right there. Let's Go Brandon, wrapped on Ether. Looks like it just come out today. Yeah, just came out today. It's worth nothing, and it's shot up to nothing. So. Let's go to CoinGecko and see if there's any information on this this coin. No, nothing there. I mean, this must have been just made today. Oh my god, it's hilarious. Let me see if I can search it. FJB coin. There it is. CoinMarketCap.com's got it. Let's go, Brandon. Currently 2.0026. This thing's been around a little bit, actually. How long has this thing been around? Oh, so it's been around since November 10th. So it's been around 10 days so far. So it's just a meme coin. There's probably no reason to get this. It did have 1 million in trading volume. And the fact that what's funny about this is that they're making all these websites have to say "Let's go, Brandon." So, and they even put an exclamation point. Like they did not, like they just had to put the exclamation point on there. That's hilarious. So this website, the live "Let's go, Brandon" price today. Let's go, Brandon is up 3.2%. I don't know who you are, PDX, but thank you for this because this is giving me. You watch it on PooCoin. Oh wow, they've donated 50K to vet charities so far. Alright, maybe it's not just a meme coin. You know, I've been wrong before about Shiba. I could be wrong. Let's see. Oh yeah, let's read all this. We got all this live data here. Let's see what's going on with Let's Go Brandon. It's just hilarious that this is just... Like, if this coin explodes and mainstream media has to cover it like they did Shiba, and we see... and we see people on CNN saying, "Let's go, Brandon," that will be hilarious. Okay, so it's the first ever decentralized media company. I like that idea. We need decentralized media. And it's a vocal piece for the Let's Go Brandon movement. Let's Go Brandon aspires to be the first true cryptocurrency community for conservative individuals. Do we have to divide? Come on. Do we have to like divide the crypto world? Do we really need to bring the politics in it and make it a community? Okay. It bothers me. It is going to serve as the utility token for the first ever decentralized blockchain media company. FJB aspires will empower our authors. I think that's a mistype or something there. Every article posted will be stored permanently on the blockchain, preventing biased parties such as Facebook and Instagram from suppressing the opinions of others. This is a good idea. It has a tax built into the contract, which allocates 5% of every transaction to the charity wallet. 10,000 donation was made to the Wounded Warriors Project. That's awesome. Project plans to donate on a weekly basis to organizations including Wounded Warriors, Folded Flag, Simplified Fund. So that's cool. This is taking care of the vets. This is actually like, if you're going to do a meme coin, have it backed by something that is actually a good cause. So I could get behind this because of the... I don't think they needed to make it conservative, because I'm pretty sure there's classic liberals who would jump on board with this too. Let's see, total supply is 40 billion tokens. 50% of the tokens are burned, so it's only 20 billion. 100% of the circulating tokens are publicly owned. There are no developer wallets. Developers are paying for the building of the decentralized media website via a 3% tax on every transaction was written in the code. Grant, who is Grant Tragney? Has a master's in quantitative finance, worked at one of the world's largest fintech providers. So the project has 3 lead developers, employs more than 10 staff members. And you can get Let's Go branded on PancakeSwap. Interesting. I need to book CoinMarketCap too. I always never have that one booked. Well, we will see what this does. Still 20 billion in coins is still a big supply. It is smaller supply than Shiba, but you can see it's a little bit higher price than Shiba. At the moment, it did have a pretty nice run, almost to 3 cents. That's definitely one to keep an eye on if you're into these younger coins, these newer coins. I mean, this thing is super new, so at the same time, while all this sounds good, you want to make sure this is all actually real. And you said they have a nice Discord group and stuff, so I'm assuming so, and it's not just Let's Go Brandon is like, I'm not specifically targeting it. I'm saying any coin that is not on any exchanges yet and that had just come out, because it could be a scam. Any coin that comes out could be a scam, so don't get scammed. You'll have to put in $10 though, Lauren. There you go. Put it with the billion Pink Panda coins. And the dev does voice calls on Discord every day. That's cool. I mean, it sounds good. I'm not bashing. I'm not saying that Let's Go Brandon is a scam. Don't get me wrong. What I'm saying is this project is so new. I don't know nothing about it. So I'd have to do other than what I just did. So I'd have to do more research, go into that Discord. Ether gas is actually a little down right now, but sometimes, when it comes to marketing, you're going to get wolves out here that will do things like this to make you think that they're on your side or whatever, and it can end up being a whole hoodoo. So, I don't know for sure whether this is that type of deal or not. It doesn't seem to be. But let's go. So to buy it, you just buy it on Pancake Swap. It says it's on Pancake. Pancake. It's gonna. Sure, you can switch to BNB. So exchange. FJB. I thought it was on Pancake Swap. Extended. Did I read that wrong? Let's see if let me put in Let's Go Brandon. No. It's not on Pancake Swap. Let me check Uniswap. Where's people buying this at? I swore it said it was on. No. Oh, here it is. Let's Go Brandon. So you got to import it. Says it doesn't appear to be on the list. Let's go ahead and import it there. That may not be the right one because the other one's supposed to be FJB, and this one's saying it's LGB, which is really, really kind of funny when you think about it. That was added by a user, so that could be a hoodoo, maybe not. Hard to tell. I would imagine in the Discord, you said there was a video of how to get it. You're probably going to have to use one of these decentralized swaps, and you're going to want to make sure in that Discord channel that you are getting it from the right source on the swap. So like that one said LGB, that one may not be the right one. So that's something you gotta look at. Yeah, so it is different. Okay. Interesting. Let me see. I didn't see. Let me go back to Pancake Swap and see, because I didn't see. Usually it'll tell you if you can add it. So you probably need. Let's see. Let's see if I can find the project itself. Do they have a website? There it goes. Let's Go Brandon FJB. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff on this. Let's see. Coin. There it is. Let's Go Brandon.io. I really did not expect to be doing a session on that. Oh boy. Wow. Look at this Biden they got on here. And then they got the video of the chant. Oh no. Rug proof. Nice. So here's the roadmap. They did the token launch, the lockup, their growing Discord, listing on CMC, and then Q1 they want to get to 1,000 holders, 10 million market cap, and then the prototype development ever. So see, that's the thing. They don't have anything yet besides this website. But, you know, that's how Framework Fortunes coin and blockchain is going to start off. You'll just be able to see these white papers with our roadmap until we develop and move on. And they're trying to get... Why are they trying to get... Let's go Brandon Coin on Fox News. That's their beyond. My God. Oh boy. Oh my God. We even got a South Park guy there. This is hilarious. Okay, there's the how to buy. So I'm not gonna watch that right now, but transparency, frequent updates on Twitter page. So let's see, buy it on Pancake. Let's see, when I click on Pancake though, it's not showing me. It's not even pulling anything up. Let's see, anyone can create. Okay, here it is. Let's go, Brandon. So yeah, so you just understand import, and now it's there. So the thing is though, like I said, you don't know. This is a new coin, but that's how you would do it. So you could swap. You could swap Binance. I actually have some Berry. And if I got some Berry here, let me see if I can swap some. I don't have liquidity for that. Let's see. How much is this trade? It shouldn't be on. It's on Binance. It's not on Ether. Oh, I might have to have BNB coin. I don't know if I have any. I don't think I have any BNB coin. There we go. Now we're working. So I get 5,000 of them. Alright, man, whatever. I'll do it. These have been, 16 cent transaction fee. Why aren't you approving MetaMask? Edit permission. No. Oh, let's see here. Shit, where'd you go? Come back here. Come back here. I'm sure it probably says how to do this, but, I'm being stupid. Spin limit requested by, so the 1.15. Oh, I think I see. Transaction details. So what am I trying to do? 7.8. So let's see if maybe 7.7 is better. Let's try this. Let's try this again. Mission edit. Is it saying I can only spend 1.15? Spin limit requested. Save. Why is it not doing this? Why is this so difficult? It should have been easy. Should already be done with this. Should have changed this berry into 680. Yeah. So what's the problem here? Let's do a 7.5. Let's see that. Say an enable berry. Maybe I need to swap berry first. Well, let me do this. Let me see if I can swap berry into BNB. That may be a better idea. Okay. Request waiting to be acknowledged. Now I got 3 of them up there. How did I get 3 of them? Checked all these and start again. Yeah, this is the BNB Smart Chain that I'm on. See right here on MetaMask, BNB Smart Chain. This berry is on the Binance Smart Chain, my Ethereum Smart Chains, everything else. But this shouldn't be that difficult. It keeps saying enable berry. Edit permission. Let's just do a custom limit 7 point. Let's see if maybe this is the problem. Let's do a 7.8 save. No, it's still not working. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I can't get this to work. I've swapped on Pancake Swap before. Maybe it's just something to do with this stupid berry coin. Yeah, I was thinking about that for the FJB. I probably will clip the end of the stream for this whole thing. So, I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. It could be... Let's just close out a Pancake Swap altogether. Try this one more time. Berry. BNB. Drop to 7.8. Okay, let's say we have inefficient liquidity. What is going on here with this thing? Maybe buying it, maybe Pancake Swap is acting stupid. Okay, there we go. Oh, now we've got something going on. I don't know what just happened, but now it's... Now you want to work. Nope, we went back. Let's see. 6, 5... I had it where it said swap. Now it's not saying it again. It's saying, come on. I'll try this again. I'll try this one more time and then I'm done. Berry. BNB. 7 point. I know nothing about berry. Those were just given to me. So it could be... Could be this coin. I don't know. I honestly don't know why. Like, berry is the thing that's giving me problems. I'd like to get the hell out of it. Let me see if I can change it to something. Maybe I can change it to cake. Let's try that and see. I think cake is being glitchy. Because it's not one to, yeah, so see, like there for cake, there it goes. Yeah, cake is being glitchy. There must be a lot of people on cake right now. Swap. Swap. Maybe I went too expensive, so let's just go 7, 8. All right, let's go. Let's just go 7.5. How about that? Oh no, now we're back to enabling Barry again. What is this nonsense? Screw pancake swap. This is trash. That's why I like Cosmos way better. This is absolute trash. This took me this long to try to swap out. Well, all right, whatever. I'm done with this. I was going to try to grab a little bit with this berry that I was given, but the berry is not working, which is probably why I was giving it, because for some reason it does not want to swap. It was really annoying. Really, really annoying. Well, anyway, guys. So I do need the BNB to swap. Well, why was it saying it didn't say I needed BNB though? It said it was taking the fees out of the berry. Trade now. So there's the berry. Where did our FGAB go? We've lost the FJB. Hold on. But anyway, just to show you what I'm talking about. See, even if I try to swap it to Binance, the provider fee is not Binance. It's BRY. It's not taxing me in BNB unless you have to have BNB just in your wallet to use the Binance chain. Let's see. Well, now my wallet's saying I need BNB. But it's showing that they're not taking the fee in BNB. Unless they're saying that's the, I don't know. Anyway, I don't use the BNB swap hardly, but the fact that if I need BNB just to use the swap is pretty stupid. Oh, to enable a token, you need BNB. Okay, see, I've not had to do that on the other exchanges. I don't use PancakeSwap at all, and I don't like this. And this may not be PancakeSwap. It may be this Binance chain, which Binance was built in Cosmos. But if I want to swap, this is what. Of course, this has not got all the tokens on it yet, but this is one that's in the Cosmos ecosystem. I ain't gotta enable coins. Like, this is very easy just to go in, connect my Kepler there. It's very easy. See what I got in here. Do I got something? Yeah, I got persistence on this. Some persistence. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to add some Cosmos. Now Cosmos, you do have to add them for fees, but they tell you that up front. Let's see. Which one is that? Persistence. So add them. So you can see there, the swap fee is like 55 cents. But I click review, and then all I got to do are press continued. Well, okay. So this the persistence tokens I'm trying to trade, that little bit is on the Cosmos hub. So you'd have to actually send it first. So you have to move assets depending on what chain it is. But that's with cross-chain. Any cross-chain dexes, you're going to have to move the chain around. But if you're just using Binance chain, you're going to have to, I guess. I'll get some Binance and add to this wallet. So I'm going to have to buy Binance from somewhere and send it to my MetaMask. I don't want to set up a Pancake Swap is a little more complex, not user-friendly at all. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why, when I'm talking about valuations of coins and projects, ease of use is going to be the most valuable, because if the whole world are going to adopt these cryptos, average Joe is not going to be able to use this to try to transact in money if they don't know how to enable this, and they've got to have BNB and all of this. And of course, we're still young in the crypto world. All this will get resolved at some point. That's why Atom, I'm very bullish on, because they have the cross-chain swap where you can move coins from chain to chain pretty cheap. You don't have to stay on one chain. But this easy use, I think, is one of the biggest values in cryptos. And anything that's not making it easy for people is going to make it hard for adoption, in my opinion. I know people who use Pancake Swap, but not my favorite. I've had issues with it before. It's not the first time I've had issues with Pancake Swap. Let me reject these damn transactions. There we go. So, alright guys, I'm going to call it a day. It went over a little bit longer than I was expecting. If you haven't yet, go check out frameworkfortune.com. It's free. Sign up with email. We'll be back tomorrow, 4:30 Central, with another live crypto update. Maybe we'll have a little bit more action tomorrow and not the sideways consolidation that we're having at the moment. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.